In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram not private on laptop PC. Open up Instagram. Go down and push on More. Then select Settings, push on that. With your mouse, hover over this column that says Settings. Scroll down until you find this option, Account Privacy, push on that. This is where we want to be, where it says, Account Privacy, Private Account. My account is currently private. Simply press on this toggle tab to make Instagram account not private. And select Switch to Public. Now your account is public, and anyone on Instagram can find and discover your Instagram account. And that's how you do it, guys. How to make Instagram not private on laptop PC.